Oh, so now it's 8 down. Yo.
Hey. Now we have oxygen and carbon dioxide.
All together. Good morning, good day, good afternoon. Whenever you're watching this, hello to you, man. Today is an exciting video, man. I don't know, as you can see, man, we're doing something special on the sexy beamer. There's the sexy beamer right there in the workshop. And today I'm finally fitting my air suspension. So I'm currently at the workshop. I'm fitting it with Garageworx. I'll put all their details in the description. They are based in Witbank. So if you want to fit anything, air suspension, coilovers, anything car, man, they tint windows, just give them a shout, call, ask them what you want to do. They probably do it. So we'll talk to the gents right there. I know Nathaniel. I think it's Nathaniel and Gary that are in a partnership. Yeah, we'll talk to the gents, get to know more about the business, get to know about what we're doing today, because I left the car yesterday, so there should be quite a bit of work done. So yeah, let's see how far the gents are. And yeah, like, share, comment, and subscribe, because yeah, man, we're about to transform the sexy beamer into something else. Peace. Created with just the sexy beamer sitting there. Let's check. So just realize this now, there's silicone on the bag. Don't know why. If you all remember, these are second-hand bags, but the real ones are fine, should be fine. You can see this clipping. Say hello, James. How are you, Gary?
Sure, fitted.
How are you, Nathaniel? I'm sharp. So these are the old.
Finally,
Hey, finally, my brother. Yo, how long has it been? Just tell the people. It was going on a year, man. But finally we fit here. Look at the James. I just go for yours, Gary. You static here now on coil. I know. Me, guys, I can't go static. Where I live. The rear bags are in. First aid tightening. Are you tightening that side already?
Yeah.
Check. What you say this management is Castro, ne?
Yeah.
Bluetooth management system out with the old. These springs are long.
Yeah, no, definitely.
I know. Yeah. Yes.
So yeah,
Soon we're going to be on the floor. Ish. So how is it gonna sound? Is it gonna be psst, or psst,
we can put it to down.
Anyway, any sound I want.
Not necessarily any sound,
But
yeah.
You will see what we can do.
Yeah. The caster has also pulse, like, yeah.
What's that? What's that?
Goes,
Oh yeah, I want that. I like that sound. Guys, I'm selling rims. Whoever wants these rims, they can have them.
Can have them.
They can have them. They can have them. Have you seen the front ones?
Kaboom is not in,
Ari, if it goes kaboom, hey.
I rewired what we both wired yesterday.
The box is on. So James, what are we doing now?
Just want to try and see. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing? We're only
Just
testing
testing
the bags,
something.
The rears.
The rear bag there. Aye. Oh man, this thing is loud, yo.
You get used to it.
Oh.
It doesn't get softer. You just get used to it.
I just get used to it. But it doesn't run too much, eh? Too many
Runs for
times.
about 5 minutes. Depends on how much you do. Yeah. You go up and down, yeah.
Ash, I'm not planning to, but Ash might get childish sometimes.
Yeah, no, that's it. Sharp.
It's working.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So you can feel the bag is getting harder.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. There's no leaks, no nothing.
Okay, you check here, just check here.
Okay.
You see this is going up and down.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Getting hard. Alles is not.
Yeah, no, everything is like
price is right.
Pipes.
Everything's happening.
Oh, so now it's 8 down. Yo. We need rims. Fuck, we need rims. Damn it, we need. Yo. We need rims. On both sides.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the tag. I need rims. These big tires are not gonna cut it.
And you'll get them sooner than you think because once it has air.
Yeah, once it. Yo, exactly.
Yeah, so I have to make a plan.
Hey, gents, currently 9 o'clock. Done for the day. This is how hard the boys at Garageworx will work for you, gents. 9 o'clock, after hours. Standard, man. Standard procedure.
Yeah.
What's up, folks? Yo, it's currently, I think, day 3 or 4 of me fitting air. Just outside the Garageworx workshop, and we just encountered a few problems. I'll try to put a few pictures. I was so stressed I couldn't film. Just encountered a few problems. So my air, so like I was saying, my air is second hand, and the threads were basically buggered up. Something was wrong with the threads. Previous person, I think, just forced them in on both of the front struts where the air pipes go in. But we got that fixed. Now, yeah, let's see if they actually work and go in and all of that. Sure. So now we're done at the back. As Nathaniel said, worst case scenario is static in the front, man. Done in the back. Let's see. Yeah, Gary says we won't get to that.
Well, now you want to be slow.
Oh, is this head up?
Yeah, it's good.
But I will see when we put it down. Is it gonna sit like this head up?
It will be basically,
Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't jump either. Hey, the last time we did it,
adding the black.
and then it swallows it until my here, baba. You, bye. Folks, anyone with a BMW, E90, E87, anyone? I'm selling shocks. Where are the springs? It's complete with the springs, boss. Yeah, complete with the springs. Also, the rear springs are somewhere. But yeah, if you want them, make me an offer. A bad offer, a good offer. You'll probably get them. Boys are hard at work, baba. May I just hope, ne? Yeah.
It's fine if you want to. It's fine. Here's one. Where's the other one? This thing is leaking from somewhere, but I can't hear from where. It's not blowing bubbles, but it's okay.
Oh.
It's leaking there by the. That's why they put silicone there, the other side. Try and fasten it.
Oh.
It's gonna hit it. Okay, let me take a breather.
It's leaking, guys. Hi. So is this a big problem or small problem? So after one new O-ring, ne?
Yeah.
It looks sharp.
So yeah, at least it's not.
That other one is leaking by the fitting.
No,
Or it's not leaking.
Yeah.
Or you don't expect that one to leak because of the silicone.
Yeah.
But it looks like we're sharp. We just shot a nut. So Nathaniel's gonna get a nut from a coilover. I hope it fits on here. Otherwise, must wait for Monday probably to get a nut or something. So yeah, update y'all. Yeah, keep you guys updated. Update you shortly. Yeah, sharp. We are back with an update. So the guy who sold me this air, this is the fifth problem. He didn't give me this nut. But obviously, because the guys at Garageworx will go an extra mile, you're taking it. This is from your coilover, ne?
Yeah, it's one of those.
Yeah, he's giving me his nut, and we're gonna put it on there. No, don't do that, buddy. But it's a nuts, bruh. Yeah, nah. I know, James. Yo, blood on the floor. I'm telling you guys, the camera doesn't do it justice. Everything went well for today, and yeah, my car is sharp. It's going up, it's going down, and it looks sick. It looks sick. That's the number one thing. It looks absolutely sick. So, yeah, man, see you all tomorrow where I actually collect the car. Go show it to my friends. I should get like good reactions from them. But, oh, finally bagged. Oh, after almost a year of having those bags, I'm finally bagged. So, yeah. See you all on the next one. I need rims, guys. I need rims. I'll show you those other rims I bought. I'm selling them. If you want them, hit me up. But yeah, man. Peace. So just tell us about this butte, my guy, that you have just bagged. Is alles?
What's up?
Is alles now? Just tell the people what you did to my car, bro.
So we basically bagged it. Yeah.
Alles went sharp, but Alice didn't go
Yeah,
sharp.
a few issues here and there. But
Please
that's,
put a disclaimer. Why the second?
Yeah. No, I'm also gonna talk about that. So
Yeah,
after
that's
fitting this second-hand air, you would definitely suggest that people just buy new air, ne?
it depends. If the price is close to a new one, rather go buy a new one because you don't know what issues the previous owner had.
Yeah.
Unless you buy it from someone you know, or maybe it's while it's still in the car, and then they strip it out and give it to you because you'll see how it's functioning.
And then for 10K, you think got a good price or I got ripped off?
10K.
Because I bought it for 10K.
It's not bad, honestly, considering that it has bellows and so forth. Yeah. But whatever money you tried to save, you ended up spending.
I ended up spending
by
because
trying to fix the
yeah,
kit.
we had to fix stuff and what.
So yeah,
I'm out of the car's looking sick.
but yeah, it's finally done now.
Gary says I must put 18s here. He says the 16s won't work and I have 16s at home.
18s or at least 17s.
Damn it.
Smaller.
Nah.
We're looking for
Mara
something
18
like
is
this.
gonna sit now.
18 is the
I know
worst.
this.
May I trust Gary? Look at this thing there, sitting there. Yo, chance. Other things. Yo, no. I'll put a picture. I'll put an overlay picture.
No stress.
No,
You
I.
must enjoy it. You must enjoy it.
Yeah, man. I'll try not to. Yeah, to break it and have you guys stripping it again.
Yeah, no stress. I hope you won't need to do that.
Marano, thank you, James. Thanks, my guy.
Man. Enjoy
Garageworx,
the car.
it's I got it fitted. The place's name is Garageworx. It's Garageworx on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook.
Yeah.
Alice, just follow them. And yeah, I'm giving him now. If he gets 200 followers for free, he's gonna do something for me for free. I don't know what. Yeah, here's the thing. It's Garageworx spelled like this. Follow everywhere. If they get 200, they're gonna do something for free. I'm gonna force them to do something for me for free. So yeah, get them to extra
hit the
200.
like button.
Hit the like button, subscribe button,
share.
everything. Share.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's it. Oh yeah, it's it.
Dintang umfanak. Dintang umfanak. Lizo zelichoke njaya. Dintang my boy. Yeah, I think so. Angazi singizobona. First thoughts of the bag, gents. First thoughts. How is it looking? How is the sexy Beamer looking? Flabbergasted, my vlog.
Manje usahlonyiwa.
Kubiyela yona fasi lama last mfethu. Ero kuyirele yona. Ngithatha isikhathi mangiyenza so.
They thought we never had air.
Now we have all the air.
They thought we never had air. Now we have oxygen and carbon dioxide.
All together.
Usahlonyiwa.
Thank you, my dog. Come on, my dog. Good morning, boys and girls. This is day, I think 7. I've already collected the car. It's sitting in front of me. So yeah, man, let me just reveal it to y'all. It's looking sick, sitting flat on the floor. And yeah, without any further ado, Nazog. No, Oaks, I'm telling you, Oaks, I'm cooking something. It's just a bit cold now. The car is smoking because it's cold, but it's sitting nice, Oaks. I won't even lie. I need 18-inch rims on this car because these 16s, I think they're only tucking now because the tires are big. Once I get small tires, I don't think they'll be tucking. And I wanted to tuck, so yeah, man, finally I have the air suspension fitted. I think I'm gonna end today's video here, and then we'll go through it in depth in another video where I'm going to visit someone who has 2 bagged cars. So I'll go see him, look at his garage, and yeah, we'll go through this car in depth. But as of now, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.